Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm walking up to 3550 Market Street, and we're going to visit a 2-bedroom, 2-bath units that's on the close to the top floor. So let us go. First, we're going to get the gate here. All right, we're going to continue walking up, and as you can tell, each of the units is marked that you can buzz. Here we go into a foyer area, and 2 flights of stairs up. We got a nice hello sign, and we're entering into unit 205, where I believe we're going to be meeting Sue. Hey, Sue.
Welcome.
Thanks. Tell me about what's going on here today.
So we have a lovely unit up here with amazing views of the city and the bay. Big open layout. Little foggy today, but you can see the whole city laid out in front of you, as well as the bay, and you have a nice balcony that you can sit out to enjoy that morning or evening. We have tons of storage in the kitchen as well, with high-end Bosch appliances.
Well, this is just gorgeous. Look at all the cabinetry space here.
Tons of storage.
And beautiful quartz countertops. Stovetop, lovely stovetop here. And again, all this accent lighting is pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's really great.
All right, okay, show us more.
Oh, and then in the back here, we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Great closet space back here as well.
All right, let's see. Oh, what a sunny
Nice
room.
sized. This is the 2nd bedroom with a walk-in closet.
Nice little landing out there. Sue, tell me about all this furniture. What's the story with all this furniture?
So this is a partially furnished unit for your convenience. If there are items though that you do not need, then we can definitely make that for the negotiations with the owner. You have a 2nd bath here with a nice tub. And Bosch stackable washer and dryer.
Nice.
Conveniently between the 2 bedrooms. Nice sized primary bedroom with custom walk-through closet. Lovely bathroom with actually a double shower head.
Wow, this is fantastic. And so, are you saying that what I just passed is all storage space right here? Wow, that's a lot of storage.
Beautiful custom closet.
That
Just gives you a little peek.
That's amazing. Well, this is just amazing. So what are next steps? Is there parking included?
There is a parking space in the garage downstairs by the driveway. It's an additional fee.
And I think there's some outdoor space in the back too, right?
There is a little bit of outdoor space in the back that can be shared with your neighbors.
Wonderful. Okay. And can you remind people how to get a hold of you?
Yes, you can either call me at 415-735-4670, or you can email me at sue@relisto.com.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Sue.
Thank you.